Mastermind. Mode selection. Choose from 3 different game modes. How to play. Learn how to use the Mastermind tool. Multi-user mode. Use the tool on a multi-touch device. Let's find out how to use the Mastermind tool. You can choose from 3 different game modes. Choose if you want to play with meaningful words, colors, or numbers. You can choose from 3 different levels of difficulty. The higher the level of difficulty, the fewer attempts you can make. Click on a game mode to select it. Click on a tile to place it on the board. Click on the question mark to check your solution. The white dots indicate that some tiles are correct, but they are in the wrong place. Alternatively, you can drag the tiles onto the board. A red dot indicates that a tile is correct and in the right place. If you want to delete a tile from your solution, simply drag it back to the set. Each tile can be used more than once. It is easy to change the order of the tiles. If you manage to do the puzzle, a green check mark appears. Click on the arrow to generate a new puzzle in the same game mode. Click on the home icon to return to the main menu. Several users can play at the same time using a multi-touch device, for example, an interactive board. If you still have not managed to do the puzzle on the highest level of difficulty on the 7th attempt, a red cross appears. You will see the solution at the bottom. You can also insert the tool into mozaBook as interactive content. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.